So now we are going to perform this practical. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can see this is the tank where the water is being filled, and we are going to check the water level inside this glass tube, piezometric tube. Okay. Here initial level we will measure, and then after putting this vessel or the ship onto this water surface, at that time there will be a rise in water level because of displacement of the water by the ship model. Okay, that will take place there, and at that time we will measure the change in the rise in water level, or change in the water level or rise in water level. Okay, and then we will measure that, and by using that value we can find out what is the weight of the ship model. Okay, in theory we have discussed about that earlier in the earlier session, that how to measure that, how to find out or calculate the weight of the ship model. Okay, now here I will stop this water here. Sufficient water has been filled here inside the tank, so wait for a minute. Okay, now here you have to note down the water level. Is it visible to all? So note it down. It is 10.9 centimeter. Okay, this is the initial water level, or you can say it is a x1. And after putting this ship model, I put this ship model onto the surface of water. I left it. Because of the weight of the ship model, some amount of water will be displaced, and you will observe the rise in water level here. Earlier, the water level x1 was 10.9, and now see there how much it has come. It is now, it is 12. Are you able to see it?
Yes.
So now water level has become 12. Okay, so find out that. So 12 is the x2. So x2 minus x1. Tell me what is the value, how much it has come. 12 minus 10.9. I think it will be 1.1. 1.1 centimeter, right? Or 11 mm.
1.1.
Right, 1.1 centimeter or 11 mm. So you can afterwards you can do the calculation to find out the weight of the ship model. Okay, so that is the WP. जे आपण लिहिलेलं आहे pontoon, weight of the pontoon. WP is nothing but its weight. You can calculate later on. So here on this ship model you can observe. So I will rotate it because some light is shining there. Okay, now here like this also it will be visible. Here you can see this is the pointer which is attached to this ship model, and to this pointer, if you observe there at the bottom of this pointer, there is a weight attached, and because of this weight attached to this pointer in the downward side, so it always points toward the true vertical line. Okay, जे आपण प्लम लाईन म्हणतो, आपण प्लम बॉक्सचं जो प्रॉपर्टी आहे, सेम प्रॉपर्टी इट विल बी there for this particular pointer. Plumb always point toward the true vertical line. It always points toward the center of Earth, center of gravity of the Earth. The same way, this pointer also points toward the center of Earth. But now here, if you observe here on this angular scale, there is some error is there. Okay, so that pointer, it is not exactly showing the 0 reading. So it may be the manufacturing defect, or after bringing that instrument in our lab, there might have been some change or tilt in this particular scale. It might have happened. So while taking the reading, जे आपण reading घेणार आहोत, त्यावेळेस आपल्याला काय करायचं, we have to be cautious to take the reading, because it is not showing the exact 0 value. त्यावेळेस आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, we have to subtract or add this much amount of reading. हे जो डेव्हिएशन आलेला आहे रीडिंग मध्ये, हा पॉइंटर जो दाखवत आहे सध्या, ते डेव्हिएशन आपल्याला प्लस किंवा मायनस करावं लागेल. ठीक आहे, किती डेव्हिएशन आहे, यू कॅन नोट इट डाऊन. And one more precautions that we have to take here while taking the reading, your face, it should be just in front of this scale. If you look the reading from this side like this, it will be different, and if you look the reading from this side, now you can see it is showing the 0 reading, and if I move here, now it is showing the 5 reading. So both are wrong readings, right? So you have to just be in front of the scale, in front of the pointer. Okay, and by closing one eye, you can look at the reading and you can note it down. Okay, so initial error in this particular scale angular measurement is, so before doing measurement, you should know what is the least count of this scale. Without knowing the least count, you cannot do the measurements, right? So 0 to 5, your readings, it can be observed on the scale. How much divisions are there? Smaller divisions and larger divisions are there. So larger divisions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, means one larger division is of the 1 degree, and between that one larger division, again there are 2 divisions. So we can say that it is of the half degree, okay, or 30 minutes. So the least count of this scale is 30 minutes or half degree. Okay, now here let us find out what is the initial reading here without putting the weight. Weight आपण याच्यावरती अजून अटॅच केलेलं नाहीये. ओके, हे जो एरर आपल्याला काढायचा आहे, त्यासाठी आपल्याला हे इनिशियल रीडिंग आपल्याला माहित असणं गरजेचं आहे. And this reading is 1 to 2 degree, 2 degree to the left. Okay, so 2 degree to the left is our actual 0. Okay, 0 आपण इकडे शिफ्ट करतोय 2 डिग्री वरती. Are you getting my point? So जर हे टिल्ट आपण जर या ठिकाणी या डायरेक्शन मध्ये झाला, फर्दर या डायरेक्शनला टिल्ट झाला, सपोज 5 वरती आला, ठीक आहे, मग 5 वरती जर हा पॉइंट आला, तर ऍक्च्युली तो किती वरती आलेला आहे, हा, तर ते 5 minus that 2 degree we have to do here, that will be the 3 degree tilt will be there. Okay, similarly जर हा टिल्ट आपला या डायरेक्शन मध्ये आला असेल, सपोज हा 5 वरती आला इकडं, तर ते ऍक्च्युली किती असणार आहे रीडिंग, 5 plus
2 plus 2.
7. So this thing you have to keep in mind. Now here you can see या ठिकाणी एक येलो कलरची तुम्हाला एक स्केल दिसते, स्ट्रिप इज देअर, and this vertical rod is there. So on this vertical rod we will attach some weight. Okay, there are 2 arrangements. You can put the weight or sliding weight inside this slotted weight inside this vertical rod, or you can attach the hook weight on this. So right now we have the slotted weights here, so to put that weight on that, and to have the uniformity or equilibrium, I am attaching both these rings on the at the same distance, okay, to avoid the error in the tank. Now, this distance should be known to you from the center at which position or at what distance we are attaching this weight. This X will be fixed in your table, observation table of that metacentric height. You can see there the distance X column, I think it is there. So this value of X will be fixed there. And this value will be, I think it is in inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches, 2.54. Exact calculation, we will do it later on. Okay, and I will tell you what is the exact distance between the center up to this vertical rod. Okay, so that we can note it down. It is fixed one, so it is not necessary to bother about that. We will do the calculation and we will find out. Now, thing is that now we will do the actual thing practical. So here you can see these are the weights we are going to attach. Here you can see it is written here 100 gram. Okay, so 100 gram means how much kg? It will be 0.1 kg. Similarly, we have another 100 gram weight. There is another 100 gram weight is there, and one more 100 gram weight is there. So जसं आपण त्याच्यामध्ये वेट वाढत जाईल तसं त्या ठिकाणी टिल्ट हा वाढला पाहिजे. ठीक आहे, तो टिल्ट आपल्याला या ठिकाणी दिसेल. अँड वी हॅव टू मेजर दॅट टिल्ट. तो टिल्ट आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी मेजर करायचं आहे आफ्टर अटॅचिंग. सो इन ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल जे आपण टेबल केलेलं आहे त्याच्यामध्ये वेटचा जो आपला कॉलम आहे, कॉलम नंबर 2, अनबॅलन्स वेट केजी मध्ये, त्यात इनिशियल पहिलं जे आपलं रिडिंग आहे पहिल्या याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करणार आहोत, 100 ग्रॅमचं वेट आपण त्या ठिकाणी अटॅच करणार आहोत. सो नोट इट डाऊन देअर, वेट ऑफ द अनबॅलन्स वेट 100 ग्रॅम किंवा केजी मध्ये आहे त्याची त्या ठिकाणी युनिट. सो पुट देअर 0.1 kg. ओके, so I will put this weight here now, attach. So initial reading you can once again observe, it is how much it is, 2 degree, right? So after putting this, there will be some tilt. So there is some oscillations are there. So I will make it somewhat stable so that we can take the reading. Pointer is oscillating. So while it is oscillating, it is not possible to take the reading. So make it stable. So by closing one eye, note the reading, and the reading is 4 degree. Okay, 4 degree त्या ठिकाणी reading दिसते आपल्याला, if you are observing it clearly. So 4 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because already there is a 2 degree deviation is there. So 4 minus 2, how much degree? 2 degree will be the angle there, right? Note it down in the observation table, 2 degree. Okay. Now, here we will increase the weight. One more 100 kg weight, 100 gram weight. I am adding here. And note down the readings. It is oscillating. Let us make it somewhat stable. Yes. So reading I am observing here, it is 6.5. Okay, so 6.5 minus 2, it will be 4.5. So note it down. In weight column, second reading of the weight will be 0.2 kg, right? And angle 4.5 degree. Now once again, Here we're increasing the weight by 100 gram. I think it will be visible to you, 100 gram, right? So again, further tilt has increased. Make it stable. The reading I am observing here is 9.5. So 9.5 minus 2, 7.5. Okay. In weight column, third reading of the weight is 0.3 kg, and the angle of tilt 9.5 minus 2, that is 7.5. Okay. Further increase again 100 gram weight. It is oscillating, make it stable. The reading is coming here 11.5. So in this on the screen you might be observing it is 12, right? Or because it is not exactly possible to see it on the screen. But whatever the readings I am seeing here, it is 11.5. So 11.5 minus 2 will be 9.5. Okay. In weight column, weight will be
0.4.
0.4 kg, correct. And what else I have told? Here, angle 9.5. 11.5 minus 2, that is 9.5. So in this way, we have to do the observations. Now here, the thing is that you can take any kind of weight, not necessary to take the 100, and also you can vary this distance also simultaneously by taking the uh, point, okay, pointer, that hook gauge. जर असा आपल्याकडे असेल hook weight, then you can changing this distance of this weight also you can note down the reading. So there are two ways they have given here for the calculation. Either you can attach the weight on the right side, you can attach the weight on the left side, or simultaneously also you can attach the weight, but you have to accordingly subtract the total weight from it. Okay, plus minus we have to do. So first of all, just write down the do the calculation for weight of the pontoon. Okay, the weight त्या ठिकाणी calculate करा, and then find out the metacentric height of this ship model. So let me check their weight, whether weighing balance is working there. We will compare the weight after weight of the ship model directly on the weighing balance with the weight of the ship model by doing this calculation part. Okay, so both it can be compared, and we'll check whether both weights are same or not. Should come same. I will take it outside. So let me check whether weighing balance is in working condition or not. Yes, it is working. I will put that sheet model and we will check its weight in kg. So note down the reading 6.9 kg. So why we are taking the weight like this? We are comparing whatever the calculation we will do later on to find out the weight by using our method, which has been given in the practical. That method and this weight of that weight by that method and weight here directly on the weighing balance, it should be same. Okay, that's why we are comparing 6.9 kg. Okay, so I will make it off. Okay, till that you can do the calculations and you can tell me what the metacentric height you have got. Okay, so this much is the only practical is there, very simple practical it was. So is there any difficulty in understanding this practical? Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. Has anybody has done the calculations? This is our table for finding metacentric height. Here the weight it has been remained. Zero 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4. The distance of unbalanced weight from the center, it was fixed, that is 0.75 meter. .75 meter. Okay. Angle of tilt. First angle of tilt was how much? Can anybody tell the values?
2 degree. 2 degree.
Second.
4.5.
Third.
7.5. 9.5.
Okay. Metacentric height in first case after calculations. What is the weight of the pontoon it has come after calculation? Weight of the pontoon formula. This is the formula. Whether you can do this 1000 into 0.64 into dx is in meter, that we have to take 1.1 divided by 100. 7.04 kg it has come.
सर तिथे मास डेन्सिटी कसं वेट डेन्सिटी पाहिजे.
सी याच्या आपण अगोदरच्या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला काय दाखवलं तुम्ही करून वेट डेन्सिटी आपण घेतली होती आणि वेट डेन्सिटीने आपण मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी न्यूटन मध्ये भेटलं होतं, बरोबर आहे. मी तर वेटच्या ऐवजी डायरेक्ट आपण जर मास घेतलं, रो इज इक्वल टू काय फॉर्म्युला आहे, एम अपॉन व्ही, बरोबर आहे. एम विल बी इक्वल टू काय येईल, एम म्हणजेच काय केजी मध्ये असणार आहे, बरोबर आहे. एम विल बी इक्वल टू रो इंटू व्ही. सो रो किती आहे 1000. आपण मागाशी काय केलं, आपण वेट काढलं, आपण न्यूटन मध्ये आलं ते. ओके, न्यूटनचं ह्याच्यामध्ये करण्यासाठी आपण त्याला 9.8 ने डिवाइड केलं. त्याच्याऐवजी आपण हे असं पण करू शकतो, ठीक आहे. 1000 multiplied by 0.64 into dx, it has come 7.04. and तिथं आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केल्यानंतर किती आलं तर 6.9 आलं का?
हा सर.
डायरेक्ट आपण वेळिंग व्हॅल्यूज केल्यानंतर इट वॉज 6.9. सो सम व्हेरिएशन इज देअर. ॲक्युरेट रिडिंग जे आहेत, हे रिडिंग आपलं जर ॲक्युरेट घेतलं तर आपल्या ह्या व्हॅल्यू पण ॲक्युरेट येतील. 1.1 हा आपण डिफरन्स त्या ठिकाणी मेजर केला. हा 1.2 जर आपण घेतला तर त्या ठिकाणी काय येतं बघा, तो जास्त येतं परत, 7.68 येतं वेट, म्हणजे ऍक्च्युअल व्हॅल्यूपेक्षा जास्त यायला लागली. आणि 1.1 घेतल्यानंतर कमी यायला लागली. म्हणजे एक्झॅक्ट जो आपला लिस्ट काउंट त्या ठिकाणी आहे, तो लिस्ट काउंट आपला आहे 1 mm चा, बरोबर आहे. त्याच्यापेक्षा जर कमी लिस्ट काउंट असेल, ॲक्युरेट रिडिंग जर आपण घेतलं तर आपल्याला वेट पण त्या ठिकाणी ॲक्युरेट भेटून जाईल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 1.1 च्या ऐवजी आपण तिथं 1.15 जर घेतलं तर म्हणजे लिस्ट काउंट आपला काय झाला या ठिकाणी 0.05 mm झाला, ठीक आहे. मग हे कॅल्क्युलेशन केल्यानंतर बघा किती येते, मग इट विल बी मोर एक्झॅक्टली व्हॅल्यू विल कम टुवर्ड दॅट 1.15 divided by 100, 7.36. So again it is not exact value, it has कमी करावं लागेल, 0.5 करून. आता येतं बरोबर, ते पण 6.72 यायला लागले आता. थोडंफार व्हेरिएशन त्या ठिकाणी राहणार. सो यू कॅन टेक एदर दिस व्हॅल्यू ऑर दॅट व्हॅल्यू. हे जे आपण एक्झॅक्ट वेट आपण जे वेइंग बॅलन्स वरती केलेलं आहे ते तुम्ही घेतलं तरी चालेल. सो दॅट विल द वेट ऑफ क्वांटम WP 6.9, किंवा कॅल्क्युलेशन मध्ये जे आले ती व्हॅल्यू एक्झॅक्ट घ्या, नो प्रॉब्लेम. किती आले कॅल्क्युलेशन मध्ये आपले 7.04. 7.04. ओके, सो दॅट इज WP. हा, इथं जी व्हॅल्यू आहे आपल्याला फॉर्म्युलेमध्ये हे व्हॅल्यू टाकून द्या. WM अनबॅलन्स वेट व्हॅल्यू टाका आणि GM किती आलं सांगा आपल्याला. पहिला किती आलं रिडिंग, अजून नाही का झालं कॅल्क्युलेट. WM अनबॅलन्स वेट पहिल्या केसमध्ये असेल 0.1 into distance 0.75 divided by 7.04 plus 0.1 हे ऍड करावं लागेल आपल्याला into tan of 2 degree.
सर तिथे प्लस कसं
0.1 multiplied by 0.75 divided by 7.14 into tan 2 bracket complete is equal to 0.3. आलं काय? Has anyone got this value? सी आता न्यूमरेटर मधली ही व्हॅल्यू आपली ही व्हॅल्यू बदलत जाईल. 0.2 च्या ऐवजी आता 0.1 च्या 0.2 होईल, इथं पण 0.2 होईल. अँगल बदलेल 4.5 राईट. do the next calculation. 0.2 multiplied by 0.75 divided by bracket मध्ये 7.24 into tan of 4.5. 4.5 is an angle. Second साठी तुम्हाला metacentric height भेटली 0.26. Then third 0.3 into 0.75 divided by bracket complete bracket टाका त्या ठिकाणी 7.34 into tan of angle. तिसऱ्याचा अँगल किती आहे?
7.5.
7.5.
It has come 0.232 meter. आणि चौथा 0.4 into 0.75 divided by bracket मध्ये 7.44 into tan of angle 9.5 का? चौथ्याचं आलं 0.24 मीटर. असे आपल्या रिडिंग आलेले 3-4 ह्याचे. सो ॲव्हरेज जर आपण बघितलं तर हे ह्या रेंजमध्ये यायला लागले 0.25 च्या जवळपास येते 0.25 मीटर. वेट व्हॅरी केल्यामुळं ही व्हॅल्यू ऑफ मेटासेंट्रिक हाईट इट माइट हॅव डिफरंट जी आणि एम. या दोन्हीचं जे अंतर आहे ते मीटरमध्ये एवढं आलं 0.25 ॲव्हरेज जर पकडलं तर. सेंटीमीटरमध्ये आलं 25 सेंटीमीटर. जर पॉइंट आपला असा असेल त्याचा सेंटर इथं असेल जी इथं असेल तर या व्हर्टिकल लाईन वरती या जी पासून साधारण 25 सेंटीमीटर वरती त्याचा मेटा सेंटर असेल. अबाउट दिस पॉइंट दिस शिप विल टिल्ट. हे शिपचं त्या ठिकाणी टिल्टिंग होईल अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. सो this was the practical number 3, determination of metacentric height. Is there any doubt to anyone about this in this practical? Yes. Any difficulty in calculations or any query? After getting your values, put your values in the chat box. Okay. Have done the calculations? Roll number 1, Snehal. Roll number 1. Roll number 3. Roll number 6. No one is responding. Roll number 7.
चालू आहे सर.
So find out that average value of metacentric height and put there in the conclusion. Metacentric height of the bezel is. See our metacentric value, it has come positive, means that ship will be in stable equilibrium. Okay. शिपची जी आपली व्हॅल्यू आहे ती कशी असणार आहे, स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम. मग ती सहजासहजी जी आपली बुडणार नाही, शिप पलटी नाही होणार. If you don't have any kind of doubt, we stop this session here. Time is about to finish. Yes, anyone? If you don't have any kind of doubt, then we'll stop the session. Okay. Thank you for your patience listening.